गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Our respected principal, Reverend Sister Leonie, teachers and my friends. First of all, I would like to wish a very happy Teachers' Day to all my beloved teachers. Well, it's my first and foremost duty on behalf of everyone to welcome you all for Teachers' Day celebration. September 5 is celebrated as Teachers' Day to honor Dr. Radhakrishnan's remarkable approach towards education and students. With the same respect, I welcome you all.
I'd like to thank our beloved principal, Reverend Sister Leonie and Sister Lily Paul for their selfless love and affection and for providing us the best facilities to bloom. A happy Teachers' Day and thank you for being the best mentor a student could ever hope for.
Teachers are the magicians who use their magic wands to help us make our lives easier and more thoughtful. Teachers have been our guiding spirits and role models, and we are grateful to them. Wishing you all teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Dear teachers, you inspired me to reach my goals and achieve my dreams. Most importantly, you inspired me to be you. Happy Teachers' Day and health.
I wish a very happy Teachers' Day to all my dear sisters and teachers.
When I am down and oh my soul so weary, when troubles come and my heart burden be, then I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit right with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. There is no life without its hunger. Each restless heart beats sowing perfectly. But when you come and I am filled with wonder, sometimes I think I glimpse eternity. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be.
Dear teachers, thanks for supporting and enlightening all my ways. If only I would have your blessings for a lifetime, I would succeed the way I have done always. Have a wonderful Teachers' Day. Thank you.
To someone who is sincere and a wonderful person as well as an amazing educator. All your hard work and efforts are greatly appreciated. Happy Teachers' Day.
Dear teacher, thank you for continually inspire me to do my best, to help me strive for goals. I found guidance, friendship, discipline and love. Everything in one person. And that person is you. Happy Teachers' Day.
Respected principal For our future brightens with each lesson you teach, each smile you lend in, each goal you help reach. For the dawn of each poet, each philosopher and king begins with a teacher and the wisdom they bring. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you for teaching me how to read and write, for guiding me to distinguish between what is wrong and what is right, for allowing me to dream and soar as a kite. Thank you for being my friend, mentor and light. I wish you all the teachers Happy Teachers' Day.
Good morning everyone, dedicated to all teachers. You lead me toward the path I should follow in life. Open my mind, touch my heart and soul. Thank you for all your guidance. Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day to all teachers. My name is Maithili Mangesh Chaudhary. Teachers' Day poem in Hindi. ज्ञान का दीपक वो जलाते हैं, माता पिता के बाद वो आते हैं। माता देती है हमको जीवन, पिता करते हैं हमारी सुरक्षा। लेकिन जो जीवन को सजाते हैं, वही हमारे शिक्षक कहलाते हैं। शिक्षक बिना न ज्ञान है, शिक्षक बिना न मान है। हमारा जीवन सफल बनाते हैं, ज्ञान का दीपक वो जलाते हैं। जीवन संघर्षों से लड़ना शिक्षक हमें बताते हैं, सत्य न्याय के पथ पे चलना शिक्षक हमें बताते हैं। ज्ञान का दीपक वो जलाते हैं, माता पिता के बाद वो आते हैं। थैंक यू। Good morning, respected principal and all teachers. My name is Niti Shailesh Kambi. I am studying in second B. अक्षर अक्षर हमें सिखाते हैं, जीवन क्या है समझाते हैं, वही तो हमारे सच्चे गुरु कहलाते हैं। इस शिक्षक दिवस पर सभी गुरुजनों को कोटि कोटि अभिनंदन। To all teachers, wishing you a happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
You are not only our teacher, you are our friend, philosopher and guide, all molded into one person. We will always be grateful for your support. Wish you a very happy Teachers' Day to all teachers. Thank you.
I want to thank you not just for being a good teacher but for being a caring second mother. I want to thank you not just for being my teacher but for being a guide and a mentor. I want to thank you not just for helping me out but for motivating me and making.
Dear sir, you have always been an excellent educator who always knew how to enlighten a soul with its light. All the efforts and hard work you have invested to bring the best in us can never be repaid in words. We can be only grateful to all the teachers like you. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Respected teacher and all my dear friends. 5th September is celebrated and Teachers' Day. So a big thank you to all my teachers. Happy Teachers' Day. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Guruve Namaha, Guruve Namaha. Happy Teachers' Day. Hello, my name is Disha Lalit Verma. I am from 3rd C Carmel Convent School, Khopoli. रोज सुबह मिलते हैं इनसे, क्या हमको करना है ये बतलाते हैं, लेके तस्वीरें इंसानों की सही गलत का भेद हमें ये बतलाते हैं। कभी डांट तो कभी प्यार से कितना कुछ हमको ये समझाते हैं। है भविष्य देश का जिनमें उनका सबका भविष्य ये बनाते हैं। है रंग कई इस जीवन में, रंगों की दुनिया से पहचान ये करवाते हैं। खो ना जाए भीड़ में कहीं हमको हमसे ही ये मिलवाते हैं। हार के फिर लड़ना ही जीत है सच्ची, ऐसा एहसास हमको ये करवाते हैं। कोशिश करते रहना हर पल, जीवन का अर्थ हमें ये बतलाते हैं। देते हैं नेक मंजिल भी, राह भी बेहतर हमें ये दिखलाते हैं। देते हैं ज्ञान जीवन का, काम यही सब ये है इनका। ये शिक्षक कहलाते हैं, ये शिक्षक कहलाते हैं। थैंक यू।
Way you teach the knowledge, you show the care, you take the love you shower, makes you the best teacher in the world. Happy Teachers' Day, beloved sister and teacher.
Dear aunties and uncles, you take pain to maintain cleanliness so that we are away from disease and ensure that every child breathes in a pure and warm. Thank you and happy Teachers' Day.
Good morning to all of you gathered here to celebrate the special occasion, the Teachers' Day. It gives me immense pleasure to be here and to talk about the main personalities of the day, our very own teachers. It is a well-known fact that every year we celebrate 5th September as Teachers' Day. In memory of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was a teacher par excellence and also one of the successful presidents of India. Teachers' Day is a special and important day as students offer the respect to teachers in recognition of their contribution in the field of education. Teachers are the building blocks in our lives. They act as second mothers to all students. On this august occasion, on behalf of all the students, I would like to thank you teachers for molding us into worthy people to face the world boldly. As students, we have been sometimes slow to handle, but your individual attention has helped us to learn from our mistakes and grow. I take the opportunity to mention on Teachers' Day how much all of you mean to us. I take the stage to confess that we may all not be in your good books, but this is the best day for all of us to express how much we love you as students. Thank you teachers for being with us as we grow. We will definitely make you proud in the years to come. My dear teachers, we never forget you in our life. Wherever we are thankful and grateful for all your efforts. Thank you.
इस दुनिया में सच्चाई आवाज़ दो सभी तेरी जीवन के हर पल में सदा तुम साथ दो प्रभु मेरे इस दुनिया में सच्चाई की आवाज़ दो सभी
Teachers are the role model for the young generation. They affect the heart of every child and continue to affect the eternity in the days to come. Dear teachers, wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. My sincere thanks goes to our beloved principal, Reverend Sister Leonie, our Vice Principal, Sister Nirmal, and all the teachers who guided and supported us to face the challenge of our life in a positive way. I also thank our students for their cooperation and making this day a memorable one for all everyone.